Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to remove green screen in Capcut PC. So all you have to do is to import the video right here. For example, this is your video, your background video to be exact, and you want to add this video, but you wanted to remove this green screen right here because you want this background to be visible. So what you're going to do to remove this green screen here is you have to click the video and then you have to locate this remove image right here. Scroll down, click this Chrome key, tap this pencil icon, and then tap this to that specific green right here. And then you can now adjust intensity, shadows, everything is up to you. Here, just adjust everything here till you get the best result. So this is what it looks like. This is how you remove a green screen, and you can also adjust the video once you have removed the green screen here. For example, if you want to place this video to the right, left, or anywhere in the part of the video, then you can do that. It doesn't affect the background. So basically, what I'm doing right now is like there is a person right here reporting about the weather. So the weather is my background right here. Okay, so basically, that's how easy it is to simply remove green screen here in CapCut PC. You can also do this same procedure when you're using your mobile. I hope this video helped you. If you want us to create or if you want another topic for our tutorial, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.